Okay, here we go, everybody. I hope zooming in on the dock cam translates into a nice zoomed in video. You can tell how much I'm zoomed in because look how huge my writing is. I've got my list for today, which includes this, right? That's you guys, Math 8. I'm here in the man room, but usually that means recording or writing music, so I'll do that separately later. I've got to remove some bricks with a roto hammer from the front side of the house. Maybe I'll post a pic of that or something later. Trying to drink my 8 glasses of water, and I want to spend time with my girl, taking her through her seesaw classes for 3rd grade and having some reading time together. And I've got some painting to do, but that's at the bottom of the list. I like having a little list. It keeps me focused throughout the day. What do you do to keep yourself focused? Or do you? Let me know. Okay, so here we are on, there it is, page 84. We're starting on problem 4, and we're going through 14. Let's see how far we get. If I notice the video getting up in the 12 to 14 minute area, I think we'll stop it. I would like to get through the graphing ones at least. So let's get started with number 4. We're supposed to identify the slope and the y-intercept, and then write a linear equation in slope-intercept form. Of course, you remember that as y equals mx plus b, where m equals what? M is the slope, and the b is the y-intercept. Okay, that's your review. I've got so many videos on that topic. It's overwhelming on my YouTube channel. So let's start here on number 4. I'm going to try this red pen just to accent what we're looking at. And I'm using a black ballpoint pen. So the y-intercept, I'm abbreviating here, is right there. And it looks like it's 3. The slope is going up, so it's positive. And if I go between the 2 dots, remember we go up or down, then always to the right. Always to the right. I'll use number 4 as our little review problem here. Okay. So we go up, 1, 2, 3, and to the right, remember this is called a slope triangle, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went up 3, right 4. So there's our slope. So let me go to my favorite one here, favorite color blue. Y equals 3/4 x. Chandler, what's the y-intercept? It's positive because it's up here. Right, 3. Sometimes you need a little think time. Okay, so there we did number 4. Take a screenshot of number 4 if you want, or this screen here. That's your review, okay? So let's go to number 5. We'll go a little bit faster this time. I'm even going to zoom in a tiny bit more. Problem is it gets grainy. Not glitchy, but grainy. Let me focus it. I don't know if that helped at all, but as long as you know I'm giving it my best effort. Just trying to emphasize those dots. Okay, let's identify some stuff. There's the y-intercept, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the slope, I like to get in the habit of, since it's slope-intercept and slope literally comes first, I like to keep that on the left side, especially on a tight little video like this. Okay, this time the slope is going down, so it's negative. How far down is it going before it slides on over to the right? Well, since the y-intercept's at 5, and that's where we're starting, it goes down 5 and to the right 2. So you can kind of see our equation right there. Let me get my nope, this one's not brand new. Sorry, it's not brand new. Our equation for number 5, y equals negative 5 halves x plus 5. Ooh, look at that. Screenshot. Boom. Cha-ching. Let me color code number 4 here. Uh-oh, I got the low battery notice. I'm down to 7%. Let's see how many we can do here. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. Now I feel the pressure. Y-intercept. What is it? Is it positive or negative? Negative. It is right here. It's -3. Based on that -3, up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. We got the little stair steps going here, which means the slope is 1. Which means it's just x. So our equation in pink for number 6, speaking of 6, I'm down to 6% now. Y equals x minus 3. Did you get that, Mia? I knew you could do it. Okay, we're going to go number 7. I'll write the answer in this kind of brick red color. After all, bricks, I got my bricks on my money and my money on my bricks. Bricks on my mind, mind on my bricks. Ooh, this one has no slope because it does not go up or down. Which means if I had 0x, what's 0 times anything? 0, which means we're not going to write anything there. It's simply, no matter where you are on this line, y equals 2. That's not just the y-intercept, that's the equation of the entire line. Wow, that was easy. Let's go to number 8. Well, a little glitchy. It's trailing behind me here. I'm so fast. Okay, we're going to go back to blue for number 8. For me, you do whatever colors you want. I mean, I care and everything, but let's stay on point here. I'm just trying to act. Ooh, what's that called right there? The origin. That's right. We love that because that's the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, which means we do not write anything in that blank. And our equation, or the slope, it's going down to right 3, down to right 3. So, speaking of writing, let's write the equation. Y equals negative 2/3 x. We don't write a y-intercept over here because there is none. I'm down to 4%. Ooh, and I don't have a charger out here. So we're going to get number 9 done. And, okay, we're going to get number 9 done. Let's do that. Let's do it in green. I'll have to do 10 through 14 later when I have a charge. Number 9 in green. Hey, what's this kind of slope called? This one's called undefined when it goes straight up and down, which means there's no y-intercept. So we can't have a slope-intercept equation. We just have to use some common sense here. So we have this line, which has it has an undefined slope and no y-intercept. So what can we write? Well, what axis is this? It's the x-axis, and x is 3 no matter what. X equals 3 is the equation for this undefined line. It's still a line. That's still a linear equation. But yeah, we just use our common sense and we go, oh, x is 3 here, x is 3 up here, x is 3 here. No matter what, x is over 3. Okay, so x is 3. I forgot to put a square around this one. Hey, I'm still at 4%, which means, guess what? Bonus feature. I'm going with this one here. Let's go number 10. We can squeeze it in before my battery dies. Here we go. Okay, I got 2 dots there. Is this one going up or down? What does that mean for slope? It means it's positive slope. It's going up. There we go, red. It's going up 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going over 1. What's 4 divided by 1? 4, right. What's the y-intercept here? I'm down to 3%. This might legit be the last one. The y-intercept is -2. So what's my equation? Slope 4, then the x, which means y goes up at -2. I'm at 3%. Let's get this one in. I'm trying to demonstrate to you guys some work ethic here, trying to get as much done as we can when there's a timer on. My timer is my battery powered. So y-intercept, which I see right there, is -1. Speaking of negative, the slope is going down, which means -2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y goes down 3 and 5 to the right. X means to the right. And the y-intercept, -1. Look at that. I should have my battery dying every time. I'm still at 3%. I'm going to do number 12 and call it a day. Hang with me here. Are we going to make it? Going back to green. Okay. Y-intercept. Where it crosses the y-axis, in this case it's -4, so I can float that out there in my equation. There's going to be an x there. Let's see what it does. The slope goes up, which means it's positive. Let's go between these two dots here, make a little triangle. It goes up 1, 2, and it goes over 1, 2. That's the same slope that we had up here. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. The little stair step. And whenever you see stair step like that, that means the slope is 1. So I could imagine writing a 1 there, but I don't need to. Y is x minus 4, which means if y is 6, what would x be? 6 equals something minus 4. X would be 10. So our equation here, I didn't mean to confuse you at the last minute, down to 2%. There, we did 4 through 12. We zoomed in tight. I'm going to zoom back out and see if that's actually how that worked. We got this beautiful 4 through 12. Okay. I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to say, hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. See you later.